Hi, yes, I'm Asad Mercury Malik, hated by many, loved by a few, but respected by all. I'm also a bit of a Tory.
True Blue Urdu.
And a bit of a Tory. Maggie Thatcher, throw her up and catch her. I was a big monetarist when I was younger. I just got into the bandwagon of following the Conservatives. We're going to pop in to see John Hardy. He's the dog's body of the party. Oh, hello, John, me old bean. How you? I would call him like Dad, you know.
Not so bad, how are you?
Not too bad, sir, yes.
I heard you got married.
I actually married my uncle's daughter. I got married to my first cousin, my uncle's daughter. I actually named her when she was born. I named her when she was born. This is me holding her as a baby, and now I'm marrying her. She's 17, 18 years old.
That isn't allowed in this country.
No, it's okay. It's okay. First cousins.
Yeah, well, there you go.
I'm Asad Mercury Malik. My name actually comes from a famous singer called Freddie Mercury. Unfortunately, he died of a wretched disease, and people started thinking funny of me. Hence, I became a philanderer, a man who loves his women. I put that on the leaflet, if you remember.
Not many people put "I am a philanderer" on their leaflet.
Do you know what that means?
It means you put yourself about.
Oh, yeah. I've got 6 months of philandering. I'm a bit of a philanderer. I'm a philanderizer.
Philanderizer. All right, keep it up.
No, but you don't understand where I come from in the area. There's a lot of puffs now. I'm not that way inclined, obviously.
No.
I'm a straight guy.
100% guy.
I think our party, that's why I chose our party as well, because they're against all that sort of stuff.
Yeah, well. Mercury has fought 2 or 3 times for the party.
I know I've got 2 hopes. Bob Hope and no hope. And Bob Hope died last year.
Yeah, but he did live to over 100, you know.
I'm just here to see a friend, BA Furniture. He's an old sponsor of mine. And hopefully next year I'll be standing up for elections again. I mean, you have to lie, otherwise you won't get the votes. I don't want to be a liar, but you have to be, to make people happy. Like one guy I came to see, and he goes, son, you have to fix this toilet. I go, I'm not a plumber. He goes, if you fix my toilet, I'll give you 2 votes.
No.
So I said to him, I'll piss in your toilet.
No, listen.
No, that's what I said to him.
No.
And he said, get out of my house.
No. Listen,
so that's why I lost the election, though.
You want a little bit guidance there.
Yeah, you have to lie.
No, you have to do the job.
No, for 2 votes, I can't be fixing people's toilets.
No.
Oh, it's got a handle on the door now. Oh, I spelled handle wrong, though. And then from there on in, we're going to go to the studio. This Visions, what was it called now? Visions Creative Ventures Limited. It's a new production company, and I'm actually going to be visiting a singer. This is Aishwarya, quite a legendary Indian pop star.
Hello.
And this is Imran Khan, alias John Merrick from Elephant Man.
Yes.
He looks like an alien, you know, it's like a different world.
Yes.
That'd be good, something different, you know, it's funny. You know, I'm running up for elections next year as a councillor, maybe as an MP in the future. Hopefully if I get the ticket for Conservatives.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. We have also opened a new film production company, Visions Creative Ventures Limited.
Keep to a name that's quite straight, you know, like you've got visions. Either call it visions.
That's a very easy name.
But you've got visions, but you've got creative and you've got...
Yeah, and ventures means project.
You just do one. You just call it visions. We're actually just discussing the name of their company. It's a very elongated name, and it should just be one word.
Well, it's not really. It's Visions Creative Ventures Limited. It's very, 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 very easy, I would think. And
I'm just going to call it Visions.
Visions is fine, yeah.
Visions.
It's Visions Creative
UK?
Ventures Limited. No.
No?
It's Visions.
Visions Creative
Ventures.
It's very
easy. You think
it's very easy.
But they won't understand.
Visions.
No. Visions is okay. It's the other word.
Creative Ventures is not to be spoken, really.
So it's just visions.
No, it's not that. But if you
Can you not take
really...
pictures of me, please, for security reasons? Social security reasons.
Oh, God.
Well,
okay, then.
all the best then.
Yes, take
nice
care.
to see you again. You take care. Give my regards to your lady wife.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
To the lady.
Take care.
All the best.
All right. Bye.
Nice talking to you. Nice for you to come and spend a day in my company. But I'm going to get off now. Get off with somebody. You know, we work all day. And we sign on sometimes. Most of Bradford signs on. I'm actually signing on. Incapacity.
Oh, Mercury. This is Derek Taylor. It's candidating in Shipley.
Oh, is it now? I said Mercury Malik, you might have heard of it.
Just once or twice, yes.
The philanderer.
Crime file.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, I got arrested. And threatened to kill that woman, didn't I? Yeah.
What have you got there, Derek?
I've got the new cartoon for my campaign leaflet. I've got the several characters here, of course. The green is going to be the man riding the rickshaw on.
And what's this scarecrow doing?
That's the Liberal man. It's going to say, I've been sat on the fence for years. And the red one there is the Labour Party with the crow above, we're dropping crumbs. The little girl in green, we left it there just in case the BNP put a candidate in there. So they might as well give over.
Absolutely.
Right,
Nice to see you.
All
See
the
you
best,
later,
John.
Take care.
Ta, mate.
Take
Good
care
luck.
now. Bye.
Interesting chap.
Absolutely, yeah.
Be like me, yes. You've got no chance. There's my new book. There's some nice stories in there. I'll do. If we have no allies with us, bomb Iraq. It's preemptive non-aggression, bomb Iraq. They've got weapons we can't see, and that's good enough for me, because it's all the proof I need, bomb Iraq. If you cannot find Osama, bomb Iraq. If the markets are a drama, bomb Iraq. If the terrorists are frisky, Pakistan is looking shifty, North Korea is too risky, bomb Iraq. If you never were elected, bomb Iraq. If your mood is quite dejected, bomb Iraq. If you think Saddam's gone mad with the weapons that he had and he tried to kill your dad, bomb Iraq. Bring back the fun into fundamentalism.
That's
I'm a
it.
fundamentalist.
Yeah. Any more?
More mental than fun. Oh yeah, they say it's a woman's country. I must tell you this, it's a man's world. Yeah. But the man who said that is actually dead. Oh yeah. Oh.
Yeah, chicken tikka masala, creamy, spicy, and a non-dresser.
You don't get the recognition as you want to, you know. I've actually been shot in the past. He shot me right in the chest, and I've still got a wound, and I fell to the ground. Thought I was dead. Luckily, it didn't stay, it sort of bounced off. I mean, you're a counsellor, you do as much as you can. You're not a wizard or something. I think in the next few years we'll be getting the Labour lot out. The Gordon Brown thing is going to happen. He's Scottish, and we don't want to be run by Scottish people. And that's why we're going to win the election.
Knee